Hey guys, this is just a brief update that my next video is going to be about homosexuality, and I was looking for some hadith that support the throwing gays off of rooftops, and it took some time. Again, I can read Arabic, I can write Arabic, but my vocabulary is limited, so it took a while to find these hadith. In the next video coming up, we will go over them and I will tell you what the Arabic says, but here's just a brief overview. This is Sahih Hadith, and it's Ibn Abbas, and then the next one is a Shia Hadith. So this one right here is Sunni, and then the next one is Shia, and they both agree that the gays should be killed. This is the Shia Hadith. Again, it agrees with the Sunni on what should happen to the homosexuals. I'm in the next video, I'm going to go over not just the Islamic point of view of homosexuality, but I'm going to also go over the Christian point of view of homosexuality. I have a lot of things to do, so I'm just not going to have the time. I'm going to try to get it out by tomorrow. Okay? God bless, guys.